Unable to change your TikTok username on your Android phone? Don't worry. This usually happens due to TikTok's 30-day username change rule, internet issues, or app glitches. In this video, I'll share the possible reasons and simple fixes to solve the problem. Let's get started. Solution 1. Make sure you can change your username. First, open TikTok, then tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. After that, tap Edit Profile. Next, tap Username. See if you can change your username from here. And be sure to remember that you can change your username once every 30 days. Make sure it has been at least 30 days since your last username change. If the problem was not that, then try the other solutions. Solution 2. Update TikTok. If you have a backdated app, it can cause problems like this. Go to Play Store and go to the search bar. Search for TikTok. Now if you see any updates available, simply update your TikTok to the latest version. But in case the update did not fix it for you or you are still facing the problem after updating, try the last solution. Solution 3. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app, then tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. In here, tap Clear next to Cache to delete it. You can also delete any downloads if available. This may help your problem. If not, then try the next solution. Solution 4. Reset network settings. A clear-cut reset in your network can solve many issues. Open your phone settings. Find options like Additional Settings or General Management. Once you have found it, tap on it. Scroll down and tap Reset. Now scroll down again. If you use mobile data for TikTok, tap on Reset Mobile Network Settings. If you use Wi-Fi, tap on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. Tap Reset Settings. This will reset your network and hopefully fix the problem. And that's how you can fix it if you can't change your username on TikTok. Hope this video helped. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy solutions. Thanks for watching.